MI-445 full motion TV wall mount with gas spring arm installation. Firmly hold the two halves of the spring arm together and have another person cut off the cable tie from around the spring arm. Slowly release the pressure on the spring arm and allow it to gradually stretch to its full extension. With a stud finder, locate the stud and center the mount on the stud at the desired height. Using a bubble level to ensure straightness, hold the mount arm to the wall and mark the center of the 3 mounting holes with a pencil as shown here. On the top hole, ensure that the mark is on the smaller end of the teardrop shaped hole. Use a 1/4 inch drill bit and drill on the marked locations. In the top hole only, insert a lag screw and partially tighten it, leaving a gap of approximately a 1/4 inch between the wall and the bottom of the screw head. Hang the mount arm on the lag screw, sliding the bracket down so the screw is resting on the small end of the teardrop shaped hole. Install the lower 2 lag screws to the washers and tighten all 3 screws until secure. Concrete or brick wall mounting option. Using a bubble level to ensure straightness, hold the mount arm to the wall and mark the center of the 5 mounting holes with a pencil as shown here. On the top middle hole, ensure that the mark is on the smaller end of the teardrop shaped hole. Use a 1/2 inch drill bit and drill on the marked locations to a depth of 3.7 inches. Insert the concrete anchors into all 5 holes. In the top middle hole only, insert a lag screw and partially tighten it, leaving a gap of approximately a 1/4 inch or 6 millimeters between the wall and bottom of the screw head. Hang the mount arm on the lag screw, sliding the bracket down so that the screw is resting in the small end of the teardrop shaped hole. Install the remaining 4 lag screws through the washers and tighten all 5 screws until secure. Place the 2 decorative covers into place on the top and bottom of the wall bracket. Remove and keep the security bolts from the VESA brackets and flip the latch up as shown here. The security bolts will be reinstalled in a few steps. Hang the TV bracket onto the end of the mount arm using the nuts, as shown here. Lay your TV down on a flat surface and align the VESA arms over the VESA holes as shown. Select the appropriate size mounting bolt and washer for your display's mounting holes and attach the VESA arms using the selected hardware. Hang the TV on the mount arm, flip the security latch up, then reinstall the security bolts to secure the screen. Weight balancing the gas spring arm. Before adjusting the spring tension and during the adjustment process, position and hold the arm horizontally as shown. If the arm drops, use the adjustment screw in the plus counterclockwise direction. If the arm rises, turn the adjustment screw to the minus or clockwise position until it remains in the horizontal position. Remove the cable management covers from the underside of the mount arm, route any cables beneath, then reattach the covers. Loosen the 2 screws on the side of the VESA assembly to tilt the TV. Tilt the TV to the desired position, then tighten the screws back down. To adjust the level of the TV, adjust these 2 screws on the back of the VESA assembly, level the TV, then tighten the screws back down.